Hey! Hi guys! Hey! Hey Boogie! Come on guys! Come on! There's Belle and Sonny and Mr. Bojangles. There's Shadow and Boogie. Hi, Boogie. There's old Jack. There's Shadow. Come on, guys. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. Come on, guys. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, Jack. He's a good boy. He keeps everybody safe out here, huh? Yeah. Hi, guys. You hungry? Hi, Bogey. Hi, Bogey. Hi. That's Bogey, and that's Boogie. Call him Boogie because he dances so much. This is Half Pint. And that's Little Bit. Hi, Little Bit. Hi, Half Pint. There's Bogey. And Boogie. Hi. Gonna dance for me, Boogie? Gonna do a boogie? You guys hungry? Huh? You guys hungry? You hungry? You know where the food is, don't you? You know where the food is. Well, I gotta dish it out, guys. Yeah, I gotta dish it out. I gotta get it out of here. Okay? I gotta get it out of here. All right, let me dish it out. Hey, guys. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hi, Mr. Bojangles. Oh. Come on. Oh. Gotta go through this obstacle course. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Everybody eating together. Whoo. And this is Mr. Bojangles. And this is Sonny. And this is Belle. Boogie's got him some food in his fur. But that's Boogie. This is Bogey. This is Half Pint. That's Little Bit. And that's Shadow. And then our peacocks are over there, and Jack protects everybody. Jack's our beagle. Happy farm. Hi guys. Hi Boogie. Shadow. There's all my babies, except for the peacocks. I'll have to go in there and show you the peacocks. Alright, I'll go show you the peacocks. There's our beautiful peacocks. Good babies. They're not babies, but I guess you'd call them poults. I don't know what they call them. They're teenagers. They're still babies, but they're not babies. Ugh. You're all right. Hey. You guys gonna make any noise? They are gonna be some beautiful birds. They won't get their long tail feathers until they're 2 years old, their second year. Well, there's our peacocks. Thank you for watching from Country Critters.